I developed my interest in culinary arts from an early age, and when I heard about the teen chef course, Le Petit Cordon Bleu, I joined. It was an amazing experience. The chef was inspirational. I learnt a lot and couldn't wait to continue. Currently, I am studying full-time here on their French cuisine course. Because Le Cordon Bleu Dusit is a world-renowned culinary school with outstanding state-of-the-art facilities, the teaching methodology, watch, learn and do, allows me to watch world-class chefs cook traditional French dishes, learn the origins and ingredients and how to prepare them for practical classes, where chefs are on hand to offer advice, answer questions and ensure that every student gets the best they can from the course. Basic level gave me the fundamental skills and techniques, allowing me to smoothly progress to intermediate and superior levels. Learning those techniques and having the on-hand experience allows me to prepare well for exams at each level. Culinary arts is my passion, and Le Cordon Bleu Dusit feeds me that passion by giving me the skills for my future.